Fishy friends, welcome on another Fishy Friday here at Bart's Fish Tales. Welcome here at my home. We're moving the studio kitchen. Today we're going to stir fry mussels Japanese style in sake and soy. I'm going to serve you a crunchy and nice salad with it. Okay, so because the mussels are ready very fast, very quick, we start off with a salad. Okay, cucumber. Take out the seeds, slice it. Carrot. White radish. Radish. Spring onion, juice of half a lemon, and a tablespoon of sesame oil, roasted sesame seeds, like a tablespoon, maybe a bit less of soy sauce, and we have a good mix. Nice. So salad is ready. Now we go on for the mussels. I've got 2 garlic cloves, like a centimeter ginger, 2 spring onion. So for the mise en place, also some chives, nice fresh colors, and then we here have some cress, some daikon, some shiso. If you can find it, it's perfect. If not, the dish will work well too. Absolutely. Got a wok? Could do it with a frying pan too. High heat. Tablespoon of oil. I add the garlic. So basically we make like a garlicky oil. Nice, okay. Make sure it doesn't burn, it's not coloring. Okay, add the ginger. And now add the mussels. Nice fresh mussels. Give it a toss. Good splash of sake. I cover it with the lid, maybe 1 minute, 2 minutes, so I allow the liquid to steam. So actually we're creating like steamed mussels in sake and a bit of soy. Okay, all mussels are open. Chives, and I save like maybe 10% of all these ingredients for the garnish. Spring onion. Shiso. Give this a mix. Look at this beautiful stock. It smells so good. So I serve it a bit with the mussels. Like this. Good. Chives on top. Spring onion on top. So look at this amazing, colorful Japanese mussel meal. Have a taste. Japanese mussels. You taste this soy together with the saltiness of the ocean. And you have the kick of the garlic, the smooth taste of the ginger. It's really amazing. It's really nice, especially with this crunch, nice fresh salad. If you have any comments, any questions, leave them down in the box below. Thank you for watching and I hope to see you soon. Bye bye.